Hello everyone, Dr. Estrada here, and in this short video, I'm going to tell you how you can embed your videos into Canvas for your screencast assignments. After you are finished recording your videos, take the time to convert them to MP4 format. Once in MP4 format, find the assignment. So let's use an example assignment from the Geology 105 class. In this assignment, you'll want to embed your work at the bottom, right at the discussion board. You'll just hit this reply button. Doing so will open up a dialog box where you can enter text or upload any work that you have. As you look at the box, you might be tempted to click on this attach clip at the bottom left. However, doing so will just attach your file. It won't embed it, which means it's not going to be graded in the class. Instead, look at the toolbar above your dialog box. That is where you're going to attach your files to be graded. Click on the media icon, which looks like a play button with headphones, which is right here. You'll see the words if you hover over it that says Record Upload Media. So you just simply click on it to upload a media file from your computer. You can either drag and drop a file, or you can click on the rocket ship to upload a computer file. Just make sure that when you're uploading your assignment that you're uploading an MP4 file, so you won't have any compatibility issues. Select your file and then open it. It's completely normal to have a file take a long time to load, like it is right here. In fact, some files will take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to load, depending how large they are. If you have a very large file that is having trouble uploading, or your internet connection is not very strong, consider uploading it from YouTube. We'll go over how to do this in a moment. Once your file has finished uploading, make sure that it plays properly throughout the entire file. This will reduce the number of problems when it comes to me grading it. Finally, post your reply, and then you'll see that your video has successfully embedded to the discussion board. That's all there is to it. Now, what should you do if you have a large file, a weak internet connection, or both? Well, in this case, it's much easier to embed your file from YouTube. First, go to your YouTube channel. Make sure that you have uploaded the video that you want for your assignment. Before you do anything, you need to make sure that your video is going to be either unlisted, which means that anybody given the link to the video can view it, or public, which means anybody can view it. If your video is private, I won't be able to view and grade your video, and your classmates won't be able to view your video and leave comments on it. So to change this setting, simply go to Visibility, click the arrow button, and you can change it to either public or unlisted. Now, to embed your video, go to the video link. This will bring you to your YouTube link on the website. Select Share and then Embed. Then you will be given an embed code. Press Copy. Then the embed code will be copied to your clipboard. Next, you want to go to your assignment, and like before, you want to hit reply and go to the discussion board. Now this is where it's a little bit different from just uploading a normal assignment. You want to embed your assignment and embed it as a code so it links to YouTube. So to do this, you need to find the embed button. This looks like a cloud button, but it's not always visible on the toolbar. So to do this, you want to click on the 3 vertical dots right here, and you'll see the cloud icon. So just click on this, and you'll see the option to embed. So you see embed code, you click on the dialog box, and just paste. Once submitted, your video should easily embed, and then you just post your reply. Again, make sure that you carefully check your video so it plays properly. So that's how you embed your videos onto Canvas. Good luck, everyone!